Okay, welcome back. Sorry my hover cam froze. At least I noticed it before I got too far. So you missed this. You might have heard me say it. I'm not really sure, but this is the reason why G prime, or how we figured out G prime, because G is increasing. So if you need to pause this to write this down, it's there. All right, now about G double prime. G double prime is positive here because G is concave up. And negative here because G is concave down. Okay, part D. Let H be the function defined by H of x equals f of x times g of x. And is H increasing or decreasing at x equals 0? Give a reason for your answer. All right, not enough room here, so I'm going to go to another piece of paper. You can see some of my Math 2 stuff from bleeding through the scratch paper. Sorry about that. Let me see if I can find another piece of paper that's not quite so bleed through-ish. All right, here we go. So we have that H is f of x times g of x. And we want to know, is H increasing or decreasing at x equals 0? So we need to know about the derivative, what the derivative is doing there. So let's find H prime of x. And we have a product rule here. First times the derivative of the second plus the second times the derivative of the first. Now we want to know what's going on at H of 0. So H prime of 0 is going to be f of 0 times g prime of 0 plus g of 0 times f prime of 0. All right, so let's start plugging through here. F of 0. So if I go back to the beginning, and where is f of 0? Oh, I think they told us that information somewhere along the line, didn't they? Yes, they did. Here it is. F of 0 equals negative 1. So negative 1 times g prime of 0. This is a graph of G. G prime of 0, all I know here is that this is some positive slope. All I know is that it's some positive slope. All right, how about G of 0? G of 0, we can read, that's 2 times f prime at 0. All right, f prime is right here. If we plug in a 0, we're going to get negative 5/4 times e to the 0, which is 1. So this is negative 5/4. And when we try and figure out what's going on here, this is going to be a negative number plus this is going to be a negative number, whatever that turns out to be. Honestly, it doesn't even really matter because we know that H prime is going to be negative, which means that H is decreasing. H of x is decreasing at x equals 0 because H prime of 0 is less than 0. Okay, point values. I did not go through them individually. Here's where they are right now. So for part D, you got plus 1 for this line for the derivative for using the product rule. You got plus 1 for an answer with the reason. So 2 there for part D. Part C, I'm kind of going backwards here. Oh, part C was on here. Part C gave us +1 for the answers in the table and +1 for all reasons correct. So if you miss one, you lose all of them. Part B was +1 for F double prime. Let's see, or some people, no, we'll leave it right there. Let's see, and it was +1 for the answer. Not, a lot of work there for just 2 points. And part A was 3 points. Part A got points for identifying the critical numbers, and then +1 for the reason at the maximum, and +1 for the reason producing the minimum. And there's your 9 points. Thanks, and sorry about the 2 separate videos. Hope it worked out okay.